In this video, I'll be talking about disimpaction case of the impacted mandibular right third molar. So in this picture, we can see this is the impacted mandibular right third molar. Before jumping into the steps of the disimpactions, how the disimpaction was carried out, let's first classify the tooth based on the difficulty level. So there's a difficulty index for the removal of impacted mandibular third molars that was given by Pederson that actually incorporates the two classification system. The first is the Winters classifications and the second is Bell and Gregory classification. Winters classification classifies the impaction based on the angle that is made by the long axis of the mandibular third molar with the long axis of the mandibular second molar. So in this picture we can see the angle is roughly 90 degree. This is a horizontal impaction. Pederson assigns the value of 2 for the horizontal impaction. So the next classification that is incorporated in the Pederson's difficulty index is the Bell and Gregory's classification. So there are two components in the Bell and Gregory's classification. The first is the depth of the impaction. It measures how deep the mandibular third molar is from the occlusal plane that passes along the mandibular second molar. So in this diagram we can see the mandibular third molar is almost at the level of the occlusal plane of mandibular second molar. This is classified as level A and the value that it is assigned in the difficulty index is 1. The second factor that is used in the Bell and Gregory classification is the Ramos relationship, which is nothing but comparison between the mesiodistal width of the impacted third molar with the distance from anterior border of the ramus of the mandible to the distal part of the mandibular second molar. So in this figure, the distance is less than half of what the mesiodistal width of the impacted tooth is. So this is classified as class 2 and the value is 2. So based on 3 factors, difficulty index is calculated. Total value will be 5. If the total difficulty index is between 3 to 4, it is considered as slightly difficult, and if the value is between 5 to 6, this is considered moderately difficult, and if the value is more than equal to 7, it is considered very difficult. So the case falls under moderate difficulty for the disimpaction.